Okay, so you're curious about whether Monzo needs your SSN. Well, let's dive into that. Why does Monzo need your SSN? Now, this isn't just because they want to track you down or something. It's actually a pretty common practice for financial institutions in the US. Here's the breakdown. Know your customer, KYC, regulations. Banks and financial services are legally required to verify the identity of their customers. This is to prevent money laundering, fraud, and other illegal activities. Tax reporting. The IRS requires financial institutions to report certain information about their customers, including their SSN. This helps them track income and ensure everyone is paying their fair share of taxes. Credit checks. If you want to get a credit card or overdraft facility with Monzo, they'll likely need your SSN to run a credit check. This helps them assess your risk and determine if they're willing to lend you money. So, does Monzo need your SSN? The short answer is yes, Monzo needs your SSN if you want to open a US account. This is a standard requirement for most financial institutions in the US. What happens if you don't provide your SSN? Well, you won't be able to open a Monzo account in the US. That's just the way it is. Alternatives to Monzo. If you're looking for a bank account that doesn't require an SSN, you might consider some of these options. International banks. Some international banks might offer accounts to U.S. residents without requiring an SSN. However, you'll need to do your research to find one that meets your needs and is available in your area. Prepaid cards. Prepaid cards are a good option if you don't want to go through the hassle of opening a traditional bank account. However, they often come with fees and limitations. If you're looking to open a bank account in the U.S., you'll likely need to provide your SSN. This is a standard requirement for most financial institutions, including Monzo. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.